and today I will be presenting to you about Usher syndrome. There are three types of Usher syndrome. So first of all, I would like to explain Usher syndrome type 1. It is caused by the USH1B gene until UHS1F gene and G gene and UHS2A gene and until UHS2D gene. Type 1 gives the carrier or the affected person deafness from birth and visual impairment during early childhood and Usher syndromes typically happen in 1 in 4 chances for every birth, and there are 1 in 70,000 carriers in the general population. Usher syndrome type 2, which has the same genes as Usher type 1, affects the user with severe hearing impairment during birth and retina degeneration during puberty or early adulthood. Basically, close or similar to the Usher syndrome type 1, but it's a bit different as this. It was severe, not deafness from birth, and the retina or your visual impairment happens later in life. And this is type 3. During type 3, the genes involved is only one gene, and it is UHS3A. It affects the user with gradual eye and hearing degeneration. So from early childhood to late 40s or in late adulthood, you may still experience degeneration of visual and hearing impairment. And as I explained before, it was 1 in 4 chances of it. If the parents are both carriers, so if one of the parents are carriers, it's impossible for the child to get Usher syndrome. What can I do as a student? So how is I would like to study about more into DNA and gene, so I can study about on how to edit or edit this the genes related to this syndrome, Usher syndrome, which I listed before and after this. I will show you the list. Maybe we could, or humans could, make a quote-unquote designer baby that would get sick or get any birth defects. And why would I want to do this? It's because illness or sickness or genetic diseases usually torture people with various effects throughout life, and sometimes even from birth. And that's all why I want to do it. And this is the list of genes that I told you before, like USH3A, and it is protein is connected with other things. And on how to cure this syndrome, there is a way. You must inject protein to replace the broken proteins that has mutated. And here's a short video on the basic symptoms of Usher syndrome.
Yeah, video. So we're waiting for the video.
It's not because of your presentation, but the video is fast. The music, yeah.
Yeah.